Hello friends! Welcome to Yummy Tunes. Today, we're going to learn lots of beautiful colors together. Are you ready? Let's begin! Look! This is the color red. Let's pop the red balloon. Wow! Red! Red! Look! This is the color blue. Let's pop the blue balloon. Wow! Blue! Blue! Look! This is the color yellow. Let's pop the yellow balloon. Wow! Yellow! Yellow! Look! This is the color orange. Let's pop the orange balloon. Wow! Orange! Orange! Look! This is the color green. Let's pop the green balloon. Wow! Green! 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 Look! This is the color purple. Let's pop the purple balloon. Wow! Purple! Purple! Look! This is the color pink. Let's pop the pink balloon. Wow! Pink! 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 Look! This is the color black. Let's pop the black balloon. Wow! Black! 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 Look! This is the color white. Let's pop the white balloon. Wow! White! 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 Look! This is the color brown. Let's pop the brown balloon. Wow! Brown! 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 Let's repeat one more time. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, black, white, brown. Great job! You learned all the colors today. I'm so proud of you.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.